Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Make Direct by Sopari, helping you to make money online. So in today's video, we are going to do affiliate marketing. Like with the help of an website called ClickBank, we are going to post a free ads. It's a kind of copy paste ads, but we need to copy ad from ClickBank and paste it in some other sites so that people go visit there and they buy the product. So alternately, we would be receiving the commission. So it's nothing like copy and paste ads. So let's jump into the strategy, and at the end of this video I'm going to show you an extra bonus strategy, how to earn more than $200 easily. Okay, so please follow each and every step. Let's get into the website which we would be working right now. The website is called the freeadforum.com. Here is the link. I'll put the URL in my description also. You can please check with that. So the first thing you need to do is you need to get registered for a free account. Once you click on that, you need to enter your name, email, password, and repeat your password and click on I am not a robot and create the account. So once you are done with that, you will be getting an confirmation email to your email ID. Please go check there and click on the link so that you get directed to the login page. So once you get logged in, click on publish your ad for free. Okay, publish your ad for free and select the category. The main category we are going to focus is on business opportunities. And coming to the title, I'm having a ready-made title with me. Okay, you can make use of this title or you can write your own title and description. So you can please check. Here is the title and I'll just mention it in my first comment. You can check with that. Okay, this is title. Wait, new system to earn $100 per day, confirm working. So I'll just copy this title and post it over here, and I'll go with the description. This is a strategy the government doesn't want you to know about, a way to earn money from home or from anywhere from the world. If you are interested in making full-time income online and working for yourself from home, then this is the easiest way to get started with zero money right away. So this is a description I'm having right now. You can make your own description or else you can just directly copy paste from here. Coming to the price, I'll just mention 0. I'm going to focus in United States. Region, just keep it blank. Coming to keywords, you can get keywords from AdWords. I'll show you in the future videos how to get keywords, but I'm having pretty good keywords right now. You can copy these keywords and paste it in your ad form. I'll copy this and paste it. And the main thing comes here now. Please visit our website. So you are not having any website right now. So what you are going to do, you are going to implement an affiliate affiliate link in your website link. So for that, the first thing you need to do is you need to visit cbengine.com. I'll repeat it again, cbengine.com. I'll also put the link in my description. You can please check with that, cbengine.com, and scroll a bit down. Click on CB Top Gravity. Here, what this website deals with is with ClickBank top affiliate products. It gives the list of top affiliate products in ClickBank. Okay, so we are going to work on ClickBank. We are going to get affiliate products from ClickBank and post it in the ad form over here. So the first website we are going to check is CB Engine. It helps us with the best product on ClickBank. So here, scroll a bit down and click on CB Top Gravity, and you get top list, the list of products available on the ClickBank. These are the top products. My focus is on affiliate marketing. I'll just go with this link, the 12 minutes affiliate system. So don't click on this link. The next step you need to do is you need to visit ClickBank. This is the website I'm talking before. So if you would like to sign up, I've already created a video in my channel, so you can visit that video. I'll put the link in my description. You can just visit and please follow each and every process, like how to get, or else you can directly visit my channel. Here is the video how to sign up for an ClickBank account as an affiliate. Okay, or else you can visit the link in my description. So once you successfully sign up to this ClickBank as an affiliate, your dashboard looks in this way. So you need to click on affiliate marketplace. So once you click on this affiliate marketplace, you get redirected to another page. So again we need to visit cbengine.com, the 12 minutes affiliate system. See, this is the product, this is the tutorial, educational tutorial. So we are going to search this thing in ClickBank, the 12 minute, right? 12 minutes. So just click on search. See, this is the product, like this is an educational platform kind of thing. They're giving some suggestions how to do affiliate marketing in 12 minutes. So if anyone signed up, like buy this product, we would be getting $82, only one sale. So people are really interested in this kind of programs. In this kind of programs, people are really interested. So if anyone buy this program, we would be getting $82.09 as in commission. Okay, so the thing, next step what we need to do is, like, we need to click on promote. So once we click on promote, you need to enter your nickname. You would be finding your nickname at the time of registration. I've shown it in my previous video. Okay, you please enter the nickname. I'll just check my nickname right away here. I need to click on account. So this is my nickname. I've already created one. So this is my nickname. I'll go here, enter my nickname, click on generate hook-links. So once I'm done with that, I would be getting an affiliate link. I would be getting an affiliate link, and I will be pasting it in a notepad. See how long it is, and it's really very ugly. So we need to shorten that link. For shortening that link, we would be using Bitly. You can register it. It's quite easy to register. Bitly.com. Okay, you can register with your Gmail. So once I log into bitly.com, I will go create, click on create, paste the long URL, click on create, and get the short URL. So once I've got it, I'll just mention it as affiliate program. You can mention as your own, but I would be mentioning affiliate program over here. And I click on save. My link is saved. So I'll copy this link. I'll come to the ad form where I'm creating my ad. I'll paste it over here. Please visit our website. This is our website now. So if anyone clicks on that link, what happens? I'll show you. See, I'll show you what happens. They get, see, this is our affiliate link. They get redirected to the product or the program where people will be talking about this video. So if anyone interested, see, fact, if you can order a pizza, you can make money with this system. So people see the title. It's very interesting. People would be very interested in this kind of program. So you not to worry, but keep on trying, keep on promoting this link in free ad forms. You would be surely getting the leads or the sales. So for each and every sale, we would be receiving $82 for sure. So the next step, what we need to do is, like, need not to mention any phone number of Facebook. If the YouTube video is available in the affiliate link, you can directly paste the YouTube video. If not, then you need to create an image. To create that image, go to Crello.com. I'll mention it in my description. This is a website where you can design your social media creatives. So go to Crello.com, type for Instagram post. So you would be finding many templates here in Crello. So you can design any template in this manner, start making money online, and you can save it. You can directly click on download. So once you are done with your social media creative, like the image creative, directly jump into this website, thefreeadforum.com. Come over here, click or drop for upload image. Click on this, upload your image, and don't forget to select okay. If you have any video in the affiliate link, the link which you are promoting, you can directly copy paste the video, YouTube video. Only YouTube videos can be copy pasted over here. If not, then directly put an image and click on publish. So once you are published, this is how our ad looks like. This is our ad looks like. There are tons of people who would be visiting this website. If they come across this post, then they'll surely click on this, and if they are interested, they would buy it, and we would be generating $84 or $82 as a commission. Apart from this website, we are having another website called globalfreeclassifiedads.com. You can follow each and every procedure what I've shown in this website, and you can work on this and post your free ad. Okay, now this is one strategy which I talked before, and I will show you the bonus strategy how we need to work. See, the thing is like everything would be the same. We would be like promoting this product, affiliate, the 12-minute affiliate system. We would be promoting this product, and we have already generated the link. I've got the link, and I'll show you exactly how does this link looks like. You post it over here. So once they click on this link, they get redirected over here. So people, if anyone interested, they will surely buy it. So now the website which I would like the strategy which we are going to follow is using Craigslist. I'm searching. I visited for Chicago Craigslist. You can visit any state in United States, okay, and search for resumes. Once you visit Craigslist.org, search for resumes. I've selected the city Chicago, and there are many people who are looking for job, or people are looking like many people over here, freelancers and looking for jobs. So I'll just select one person for an example how to send him an email. So once I click on this, let me do your school work, I get landed on this page. So there is some brief information about the work he would be doing. Okay, this is the brief information. I'll just do one thing. I'll click on reply and click on Gmail. Okay, and I'm having a ready script with me. You can go through this script. Okay, you'll clearly understand what I mentioned over here is I just wanted to quickly drop you a note, because I was in your position looking for the work on Craigslist. I found something after a long time searching that actually worked. If you are interested, take a look here and mention your shortened link. The product which we are promoting, we have shortened that link over here. We need to mention that in the email. Okay, just mention that complete draft over here. You can make use of the script, or else you can have your own script. Okay, and just click on send. So once I click on send, if you come across our email, then he would be surely reading it, and he would be clicking on that link. If he's interested in the product, he would be buying that product. If not, there are many people over here. See, there are n number of people. You can directly email 10 people per day. That's enough. 10 people per day is more than enough. Apart from that, like if any one person would be buying your product, you would be getting like for 10 days 10 people per day, 100 people. 1% conversion one person, like one sale you would be getting. If you're getting one sale, then you would be making $82 for sure within 10 days. So follow these two strategies. One is posting in ad forums, free ad forums. Another thing is working on Craigslist. Make use of these two strategies, and I bet you like you would be generating one sale for 10 days for sure. Okay, and if you have any queries, then you can please drop those queries in the comment section. Okay, I will surely revert you back as soon as possible. And do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. So if I make any new video, you would be directly getting a notification to your email. Okay, and do suggest your friends who are in need of work from home friends mainly. They can easily come across my strategies, and they can earn a lot from that. Okay, thank you, then have a great day. Bye bye.